As I walked out on a May morning near the verdant braes of Skryne, I put my back to a mossy bank for to view the dew on the west country, the view of a foreign strand. A lad I spied by our burnside, with a lassie on his knee, and he was dark as the berry brown red, and she always and one to see, always and one was she. Oh, sit ye down on the grass, he said, on the dewy grass so green, for the wee birds all have come and gone, since you, my love, have been, he said, since you, my love, have been. I'll not heed what an old man says, for his days are well nigh done, and I'll not heed what a young man says, for he's fair for many's the one she said, for he's fair for many's the one. But I will climb a high, high tree, and I'll rob a wild bird's nest, and back I'll bring whatever I'd find to the arms that I love the best, she said, till they are